Check out this 2013 Ford F-150 XL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include steel wheels, split bench seat, engine immobilizer, driver airbag, vinyl seats, power outlet, adjustable steering wheel, and AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.